What is going on YouTube? My name's Evan. I'm one of the co-owners here at Car Auto Spa, and today is a very special day. We are going to be starting weekly vlogs. That's right, you heard it, weekly vlogs, to kind of show you guys what we're doing around the shop, what we're working on, projects that we like, or just whatever, whether it's our shop talk or just us having fun. We're going to be bringing you weekly vlogs, so make sure you, number one, subscribe. Number two, stay tuned for kind of everything that we're going to be putting out. So without further ado, we're going to get right into it. Kind of a dreary Wednesday over here. We are located in central New Jersey, and this time of the year it tends to be cloudy, rainy, and just fall weather. It is warm though. It's about 70 degrees, so we don't have to have the heat on in the shop yet, and it's good for working. We just finished up this wrap on one of our shop cars. This by far has to be one of the coolest wraps I've ever seen. We did a full vinyl wrap in what is known as Celestial Unicorn from a Nosatec, but this is not from a Nosatec. Car's just about done. This film has a very nice gloss finish. There is some orange peel. Does not come with the plastic liner, comes with the paper liner, so that definitely contributes to some of it. But still, with that being said, this is very glossy. This is not ceramic coated. There's no protection on it. It's just a very good film with a nice paint-like finish once it's installed properly, which, you know, if you go to yours truly, it will be. Let's get some music going and do some pan overs of the car. Got another one of our co-owners pulling up in his 335i. Yo! What's up? Thing is filthy. Ooh. Just peep that red interior. Open that fucking door up. Ooh.
Gotta get clean.
Ooh. The wood grain. Rev that shit. Weak. I'm actually going to go ahead and clean up my car. It is quite filthy, so stay tuned, let's wash it. Well, there you have it, one clean Civic. But with that being said, thanks for tuning in, guys. Like I said, we're going to be making this a weekly thing, so make sure to stay tuned for our weekly vlogs. Subscribe, like, and make sure to rate this video. It's going to help me kind of get a gauge on what people like to see, so comment as well, and stay tuned for the next one. Once again, I'm Evan from Car Auto Spa. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys later.